But sensitive skin is usually skin that has been harshly treated. Very rarely, like sometimes people will have immune issues that actually cause the skin to be more sensitive, or they will have probiotic stomach issues that cause the skin to be more. And what's happening is the body's using all of its power to go help the gut and help the body, so it's taking everything away from the skin. And if you haven't had the water you're supposed to, the water is going to your organs first, not your face, and it's causing your body to be more sensitive. It's one of the first things people say, oh, I got sensitive skin, when in actuality what's happening is the skin's super unbalanced by whatever is coming in contact with the skin. It needs to be balanced with either the cleanser, the moisturizer, the serums, whatever that could be.